on, Margaret. Come on, Margaret. You got it. Come on, let's go.
Don't rub it.
Take it right. Take it.
Higher. There you go. Good. Yeah, you're empty. Okay.
Come on, Margaret. You got this. You're doing it. You're doing it. Woo! There you go. Get it, girl. Get it. Get him. Yes. Go. There you go.
Come on now. Come on now.
Give him that knee. Give him. Give it to him.
Three,
Come on, let's go.
4,
Come on, 5. There you go.
There you go.
All right. You're doing great.
Hurry up. Let me see the hand. Hurry, behind your back. On your spray.
What's the magic word?
On your spray.
Okay, I'm with you.
Okay.
Okay, take her to decontamination. Great job. Great job.
Close your eyes.
Come on, Finkel.
Go ahead. All right, come on, you got it. Come on. Right this way. Come on, go get him. Get him. Open your eyes. Try it. Not open. I can't see. Go ahead.
Come on,
get
don't
him.
rub. There you go. Come on. Up.
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 All right, drop it. Next thing.
All right, good job.
Got a baton. Come on.
You know what to do with this baton.
5 good hits. 5 good hits.
There you go. Come on. Beat him. Beat him.
There you go. Drop it. Come on, right this way.
man.
Right this way.
Come on.
You got hit.
Come on now. 1, 2,
He sprayed you. Come on, let's go.
4. Come on. 4, 5.
There you go.
Come on. You got this. Right here. Right here. All right. Put your hands up. Put your hands on your back.
Get those cuffs on. All right.
You gotta get down now.
I've been sprayed. Okay.
All right, get you some of this water.
Let it run through. Don't rub it.
Come on, Mark. Show him how it's done.
Open your eyes.
I know it's burning. Fight through it. Fight through it.
Come, can you see him? Shoot at him. You gotta be able to see him. Fight through it.
Come on. There you go. Up. Move your hand up. Up, some more. All right, drop it.
Okay, drop it. All right, let's go to the next one.
Come on, Mark, you got it. Get that baton.
There you go. 5 of them.
You know what to do. Come on. Time to hook some butt. Come on, hook it.
Come on, man.
Come on, give him that knee. Give him that knee.
1, 2,
Come on, Mark.
3,
Let's do
4,
it.
5.
Yeah.
Good job.
Put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Down. Call it. Officer down, been sprayed.
All right, good job, Mark. Good job, man. If you want to, you got to get in that wind over there. Come on, Huff. Let's be tough, Huff.
Find the target. Right through it. Squeeze. Higher.
Up a little higher. Good job. All right, drop it.
Hey, good verbal commands now. Verbal commands. Get back.
There you go. Come on, Huff. Come on, get it, Huff. Come on, Huff. Yeah.
You're good. You stop.
Come on, man.
Same command.
There you go.
2. Get back. 4,
Yeah, there you go.
5. Stand back. Get back.
Officer down, been sprayed.
You've been sprayed. You're not down. Hey, which eye is this worse? The right eye? Yeah. Get on this side. You go either way. There you go.
Oh, yeah. little higher. All right, Spence, good job. All right. There we go.
There you go. Higher, higher, higher.
There you go. A little higher. Fight through it.
All right, drop, 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 drop. There we go. Good, strong strike.
Stop resisting.
There you go.
Come on, man.
Stop resisting.
1, 2.
There you go. There you go.
5.
That's right. Let's do it.
Put your hands in the air. Turn around. Your hands behind your back.
All right.
And then straight.
All right. Let's be calm. There we go.
Hey, drop. Hey, other side, other side. Keep it down. There you go.
Blink, blink, blink. As much as you can. Don't blow.
How you feeling? Like a Marine?
Highly motivated, sir.
Great. Just great.
Hoorah!
How are you feeling, Margaret?
All right.
Huh?
All right.
Huh?
I'm good.
All right, Think. How you feeling, Think?
Getting there.
Oh, tell me the truth now.
Huh?
Tell me the truth.
It burns, man.
It burns?
Oh, yeah.
Burns so good?
Worse than Mexican food.
All right, Joshua. How you doing?
I'm surviving. It's good. It hurts a lot. It's all right.
All right. So just get as much water and air as you need. You got to tell everybody?
I said I haven't had this much fun since my last dental appointment.
All right. All right. All right. Hey, Fink. You get enough one, Fink.
Going good.